Let's explore the design process behind the Equity Edge Advisor logo, featuring a sleek monogram, E combined with a forward to symbolize growth, progress, and financial success.
Cosmic.